too. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Woman, words mean so much, but I'm a man of few. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Sometimes I'm just in a different state of mind. My reaction to action take too much time. You keep showing me love, yet it seemed I was blind. Never disconnect your love line. Out there is such a race. Oh, woman, must keep up the pace. Alright. When it's time to have your fun, you'll find tears running down your face. Oh, love needs vacation too. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Woman, words mean so much, but I'm a man of few. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. I know real love is hard to find. When you're out of sight, you're never out of mind. Unpredictable as I may be, I am sure one day you will see there's a greater part of me that only wants to be free. With no strings attached. Love me, woman, could you love me like that? Oh, love needs vacation too. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Woman, words mean so much, but I'm a man of few. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Put your head upon my shoulder. Let's grow old, older and older. Wanna be with you. Alright, all my life I'll treasure. Girl, endless time together. Stop, stop, step, stop, step, start up. And I love paper, papa,
girl, let's make this walk together under the moonlight. If we could just sit down and get together, it would be alright. Yes, it will. I can't stop thinking about you, girl. Like an angel in my world. Yes. Doesn't really matter what they say, my baby. Once, twice, 3 times, a sweet lady, and I can't get enough of that. No, I can't get enough. Inside I'm crying for you. Inside I'm trying to. I can't get enough of that. No. Get enough. Inside I'm crying for you. Inside I'm trying to. I can't get enough. Said you would arrive on time by 7:30. Now it's 4:30. Yes it is. Yes it is. Promise me that you would make it early. Still I'm waiting more. What I'm waiting for. I can't stop thinking about you, girl. Ooh, you're like an angel in my world. It doesn't really matter what they say, my baby. You're once, twice, 3 times a sweet lady, and I can't get enough of that. No, I can't get enough. Inside I'm crying for you.
Let me love you, baby, professionally.
I just wanna be your man for the rest of your life. Oh yeah, baby, with sin and love. Yeah, I just wanna be your man for the rest of your life. Oh yeah, baby.
resistance. I burn on distance, burst like a 6 months, cover the distance like me no response. Give me assistance, it in a me van. Yeah, the good is for your girl to let you. I'll give thanks. Oh no, mistake it, girl, we can make it. No need to fake it, just come and take it. We can make it. Sky is the limit, no one can stop it. Now that we have it, the habit is jumping like rabbit. I just wanna be your man for the rest of your life. Oh yeah, baby, we're sealing down. Yeah, I just wanna be your man for the rest of your life. Oh yeah, baby, we're sealing down. Yeah, Can I see I wanna be with you, you wanna be with me? Yeah. Nothing in this old world could change our love. I'm heaven for you, you are for me, I wish they all could see. Yeah. They don't know how much to me you mean to my love. They're not the ones standing in my shoes, so then I don't expect them to. All I know, I just wanna be your man for the rest of your life. Ooh yeah, baby, we're sealing up. Yeah, I just wanna.
Oh, yeah. We're all one. We don't need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one. We don't need no division. One people with different religions. One aim, one destination. Some people think they are, to them have enough money to spend. So they brag and show off, disrespecting their best friend. To them I drive a Bimmer, a Jaguar up there. They don't even hold the original colors again. But we're all one. We don't need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one. We need no division. One people with different religions. Take heed, my brother, yeah. Love is the only answer, and unity will make us strong. When will this war be over? The people will like to know. Too much senseless violence. Our nation is dying out. Only Jah alone can help us. The good book teaches us we're all one. We need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination.
Yeah, the brand. That's why the youths them have it hard. Boy, see that? Don't bring no guns today. Don't need no more gunplay. Can't you see the kids them is the way? When they gonna play, yeah. Don't bring no knives today. Don't take another life today. Take out your wife today. Do something right. Youth man is a system. Fi burn the fire, I'm insisting. Fi tell the ghetto youths not be no victim. Not do nothing if it not uplifting, yeah. Well, youth man is the system. Fi burn the fire, I'm insisting. Fi tell the ghetto youths not be no victim. Not do nothing if it not uplifting. See ya! Babylon that's how them stay from long time. The whole of them unjust and unkind. No expect, no better them a mankind. Things is not like one time when every man used to share one dime. Every man a seek for them one online. Still I see any end of Constantine. Until they get the youth to find, yeah. Don't bring no guns today. Don't need no more gunplay. Can't you see the kids them is away? When they gonna play, yeah. Don't bring no knives today. Don't take another life today. Take out your wife today. Do something right. You
We burn the fire, I'm insisting. We tell the ghetto youths no be no victim. No do nothing if it not uplifting, yeah. Well, youth man is the system. We burn the fire, I'm insisting. We tell the ghetto youths no be no victim. No do nothing if it not uplifting. Sit ya! Babylon fly out the youth, them man send them go abroad. Make the youth them feel like send them large. Then little more me send them gone at large. You scrape them up and pack them up and send them back a yard. Neglect them and reject them, me say with no regard. You scoop them and you scrape them and you send them to the dogs. Then you go give them all the gun in a barrage. I'm warning you, I'm telling you, this system is a fraud. Put a tap on the landline. Them no punctual, them never unkind. Your promises they from long time. That's why they get to youth them come and sing and say again. Tell the youths the sun will shine for you. Things will be fine for you. As long as you're mindful of you, Jah will see you through. The rain will fall for you. The roll will call for you. As long as you stand tall for you, Jah will see you through. Youth man is the system. On the fire, I'm insisting. But tell the girl to
Mr. Officer, why you troubling the farmer? It's not a thief or a murderer. Beg you long, we make him plant up the herbs. Not a soul him or disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. Beg you long, we make him plant up the herbs. Not a soul him or disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. To all the neighbors who is living around the farmer, beg you please don't become an informer. If they're not farm, we not enough food to survive. If not for farming, farmer can't stay alive. There'll be so many mouths to feed if he's taken down by the police. In this jungle called society, only healing herbs can bring some ease. So beg you long, we make him plant up the earth. Not a soul him or disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. Beg you long, we make him plant up the earth. Not a soul him or disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. Yeah, enough man a benefit of our farming, and the farmer is the smallest in the market. The bigger boss, all they do is extort it. I saw them control fi export it. Same time them want a man fi distribute it. To take the focus of the brethren who's importing it. And the liquor where them left with it, we hustle with them, send police and soldiers to burn down the crop. Make you long, we make him plant up the earth. Not a soul him or disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. Beg you long, we make him plant up the earth. Not a soul him or disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. To bring joy to my people. What we need is love to help love grow today.
That's what we need, that's what we need
today. What we need is love to help love grow today.
That's what we need, that's what we need
today. Yeah. See your brother, just say one love and let your good vibes flow. You see your sister, just say one love and let your good vibes flow. You see an elder, just say one love. Set the examples for the youths. You see an elder, just say blessed love and see your love shine through. We don't need no more of the bad vibes, no more of the war and the gunfight. Mother Nature shows signs of a new time. Everybody sing this line. What we need is love to help love grow today.
That's right.
Today. What we need is love to help love grow today. Today. What a thing when we all begin to live in a one unity. What a thing when we all begin to share
one prosperity. What a thing when the youths growing on. Oh, Jah good vibes flow. What we need is love to help love grow today.
Yeah. It's what we need, it's what we need
today.
Yeah.
What we need is love to help love grow today.
Let's come and share the vibe with me
today.
The Morgan family.
The people of this world gone crazy. I said the people of this world gone mad. All because of vanity. They will do anything just to have. I heard someone saying the other day that life doesn't make sense living. They lost their faith along the way, but Jah is always forgiving. I don't have to be rich to be a happy man. Happy man. Money can't buy you and I salvation. Yeah, yeah. I don't have to be rich to be a righteous man. As long as my meditation is free from corruption. Some will sell their soul for vanity just to move up in society. All I need is the blessing, prosperity, eternally. I've seen many poor men live, and I've seen many rich men die. They want to get what they don't want to give. Somebody tell me why. I said I don't have to be rich to be an happy man. Happy man. Money can't buy you and I salvation. Yeah, yeah. I don't have to be rich to be a righteous man. As long as my meditation is free from corruption. When you think you're rich, said you are poor. Why can't you seek your blessing some more? Just seek just some more. When you think you're wise, you don't realize that Jah have you in His sight. In His sight. Yo. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I said that.
I won't let illusion rule my life no more. I won't let confusion take control. I'm sure. I won't let forever come before it's time. I'll make sure all the choices that I made is mine. When I lose now, striving to rule my destiny. When I lose now, being the best that I can be. When I lose now, who have eyes to see will see. When I lose, you will see the Jah in me. Just like how Moses set the children of Israel free, so the manipulation of blacks must end like slavery. Why must a brother divide when there is no unity? Mama Africa, you're strong. You can see her strength in me. So when I lose now, striving to rule my destiny. When I lose now, I'm being the best that I can be. When I lose now, who have eyes to see will see. When I lose, you will see the Jah in me. My everyday move is with Jah, who is my guidance. I put my trust in Him and find blessed assurance. Though some may think that it is not unnecessary, the Jah in me said I must love all my enemies. When I lose now, striving to rule my destiny. When I lose now, being the best that I can be. When I lose now,
just some of the words. Oh yeah. Oh, you said, baby.
A nation without any history is like a tree without roots. That kind of tree could never bear no fruit. No. Before you dance abroad, you got to learn to dance a yard. Self-empowerment don't even cost a cent. Hey, just some little words of wisdom to lead your minds to freedom. Oh, yeah. Just some little words of wisdom. Yeah. To lead your minds to freedom. Oh, well. Don't watch and expect any handouts you can do for yourself. Just put your shoulder to the wheel and I'm sure you will help yourself. Hey, just learn a little more about your history so you can better know yourself. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. Hey, just some little words of wisdom to lead your minds to freedom. Oh yeah, just some little words of wisdom. Oh well, to lead your minds to freedom. Just some words, yeah. Lead your minds to freedom. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. And in all this, remember the Father, the one who gave you life. Remember, without him, you can never survive. Hey, he is your rock and your fortress in any time of need. Remember when you tried, he will be your guiding light. Hey, just some little words of wisdom. Oh well, to lead your minds to freedom. Oh well, just some little words of wisdom. Oh well, to lead your minds to freedom. Don't ever feel the streets. That's where we eat our meal. No, don't you put up that pride and go have another guy. Put your shoulders to the wheel. You and I must eat, whoa. Come on, brother man, give an helping hand, no. Grab your lads and come. You know say, roll it back, bush inna the yard, one chop down. Grab your lads and come. Whoa, yeah. Grab your lads and come. You know say, roll it back, bush inna the yard, one chop down. Grab your lads and come. There's a whole lot of work. Well, me go plant some dasheen and cocoa. Bungo peas, go live in and okra. A vegetable with the steam with all chocho. Coconut with the great make toto. Me love me bammy so me plant some cassava. Papa nonya me so why I mingo harder. Him get jam a bit from him great grandfather. Granny say when it come to food she nah no bother. Come tata, grab the bill and come. I will leave a bush in the yard and chop down. Grab the bill and come. Whoa, now grab the fork and come. Ready, if you go blow up, jam down. Grab the fork and come. Whoa, yeah. A whole lot of work. Well, that's a Mikey and a while she wine, no want them spoil. You see the pot a bubble up, me watch the picnic, them a smile. Me have some good old Jamaican coconut tile. It remind me of the days on the bank of River Nile. Ragamuffin now got beat and done no fashion and style. Till man a still up Jamaican style. War ragamuffin on 1,000 mile. We have it, we don't need no lazy body in a Zion. Man have it strong and like a lion. Man have it iron, Louie, culture, pan the version. Mikey spicy, come and chant to the now what you sow, you're bound for reap. Once you sweat, you're gonna eat. Oh, don't you put up that pride and go rob another guy. Robbing and shooting and looting, my brethren, could never be right. No. And all that careless news carrying
My sister is unaccepted in the Father's sight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you want a happy life, you must live upright. Endeavor day by day to shine your light. This world is yours and mine. Get this in your mind. Let's wake up and live for mankind. Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to forget. Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to fight, no. So many people are suffering and dying all over the world. Yeah. Mothers and fathers are crying and praying for all the boys and girls. Yeah. There is so much war and strife and racial genocide. When will mankind ever live upright? Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to forget. Things could never be right until we unite. We don't have to quarrel, we don't have to fight. Oh, yes. Mankind. Oh, well, when we love again, yeah. Loving and looking and a shooting. Blazing. Tell them we can't go. No, no, no. Whoa, whoa. See that? Everything is so fine. The woman of my vision, the woman on my mind, she is so fine. I never leave her lonely in this judgment time. She is so fine. I never make her crazy, I never make her cry. She is so fine. She's mine. She is the girl to call my own. She is the girl to be my own. She is the girl I won't leave alone. She is the girl, yeah. Yo, yo, so me say again. Rain just falling on my window. Whoa, whistling like a whistling willow. Yeah, everywhere I go, she will follow. Whoa, tonight's already on me and my pillow. Whoa, everything is so fine. The woman of my vision, she's on my mind. She is so fine. I never leave her lonely in this judgment time. So fine. I never made her sad, I never make her cry. She is so fine. She's mine. She is the girl to call my own. She is the girl, won't leave her alone. She is the girl to be my own. She is the girl, can't leave her alone. Some say, where she love my good, she not gonna leave me alone. The way she love my good, she said she not show no sound. She said the greedy dog always lose them bound. Real lioness, she have to sit down in the throne. Tell me from bird, say she not suck no bone. Tell me from bird, say she not suck no tongue. She dial me foot, she not get dialed down. Bless her, I'm coming home. Everything is so fine. The woman
do the things you do, so clever. I've never seen no one like you. Oh baby, oh never. You make me feel at home when you're in my arms. I could never feel
much better. Keep you all safe and sound. I wanna spend my whole life with you forever. Come stay with me, girl. Don't play with my love. I love for you to treasure. I'll speak all the words. Your mind's and them yours, and that just can't be measured. You surely deserve all the things that preserve at your own leisure. I know I'm the one you can rely on. Let's stay together, cause I'm the perfect one for you, and you're the perfect one for me. I will never make you blue, girl, you're my everything. I'm the perfect one for you, you're the perfect one for me. I will never make you blue, girl, you're my everything. Okay, you make me feel so good, you make me feel so great. Love you just like I would, love looking at your smiling face. All I care about is your love, girl. I've been thinking of all the things we've done. People say things just to see us living, and it still can't break us up. She found it breathtaking, good love making. Most I take us up, cause that's the way we are to go. I'm the perfect one for you, you're the perfect one for me. I will never make you blue, girl, you're my everything. I'm the perfect one for you, girl, you're the perfect one for me. I will never make you blue, girl, you're my everything. Don't be shy, come my way, girl, I tell you why. Love leads the way, I'm so satisfied with the blessing of today. What's yours, that's yours, and it could never go astray. Girl, you're so beautiful, and I'm so handsome. Just be fruitful, I won't hold your ransom. In my world, girlfriend, you're always welcome. Oh, listen to my song. I'm the perfect one for you, you're the perfect one for me. I will never make you blue, girl, you're my everything. I'm the perfect one for you, girl, you're the perfect one for me. I will never make you Louie, lady, cause every time I see you, I remember the good times we had. On my mind, it always lingers, the love that we had. How could I let you slip right through my fingers? I must have gone mad, and now I'm paying the full price. Cause after a storm, oh mama, there must be a call. What I get after a storm, there must be a call. Oh now, yeah. Can't seem to get you out of my system, and I'm so depressed. It seems to me that I'm a victim of my loneliness. Now here I am hoping and wishing, trying my best, wanna make it up to you. Cause after a storm, there must be a call. Oh wait, after a storm, there must be a call. Ooh, yeah. We had so much fun together, you and I. No, you're not here, I'm lost forever. As time goes by, spending time in any weather, and I know why. It's because I love you. Cause after a storm, lady, there must be a call.
I've been caught up in your world from the moment that I laid my eyes
eyes on you. And I know it was meant to be, 'cause the feeling that I feel is oh so true. I never met no one quite like you. You're a special lady, thing to make me say it what I do. I can't wait to hold you in my arms, and I won't let you go. I can't wait to fill you with my charms. Gotta let this love flow. I can't wait to hold you in my arms, and I won't let you go. Oh no. Oh, I've been longing for someone to give me love that's soft and warm. I wanna be your knight in armor. I wanna be your shelter from the storm. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the kind of girl that I need every day of my life. You're like the air that I breathe. Yeah, I can't wait to hold you in my arms, and I won't let you go. I can't wait to fill you with my charm. Gotta let this love flow. I can't wait to hold you in my arms, and I won't let you go. Something tell me that this love was meant to be, and I know baby someday you surely will agree. Yeah. I can't wait to hold you in my arms, and I won't let you go. I can't wait to fill you with my charms. Gotta let this love flow. I can't wait to hold you in my arms, and I won't let you go.
Take a look into my life and wonder what the hell I'm still doing with you. Oh, baby. Try to tell myself that I'm a bachelor. I don't need no one to cook my food. Oh, yeah. And I keep crying deep inside, but something's saying, Tony, nothing's wrong with you. She can't cool, can't tame. Thought I changed her, but I fooled myself again. She can't cool, can't tame, and I refuse to live my life in hurt again. When I first met you, I thought that you're an angel, so I fell for you. Oh yes, give you everything you wanted, baby boo. I would reach the stars for you. Oh yeah, can't believe you would deceive and make me grieve. Oh girl, you tear my world in two. Oh yeah, she can't cool, can't tame. Thought I changed you, but I fooled myself again. She can't cool, can't tame, and I refuse to live my life in hurt again. Boy, what is this? What about the promises that you made? Thought that you would stay with me until the dying day. Baby boo, you let somebody turn your eyes from me. Now you're wandering around just like a fool without a dream. Yeah, cool, she can't take.
Thought I changed her, but I fooled myself again. She can't cool, can't tame, and I refuse to live my life in hurt again. She can't cool, can't tame. Thought I changed her, but I fooled myself again. She can't cool, she can't tame.
Send them down there, and now gunshots start echo. No gonna get down there. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down there, and now gunshots start echo. Cause when Babylon come there, and I think bam down there, the youth them run way and gone the wrong way. Babylon them not just stop with them 100 shooter, coulda muta baruka. They not man the future, influence with them under. They on them corner when they smoke marijuana, gunshot sing like Yama. No think them no afraid, they don't have no behavior. Babylon send soldier, fi shoot a boy, man no me down there. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down there. And now gunshot a echo, no gonna me down there. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down there. And now gunshot a echo. Babylon a turn this place in a bloody city. No time for waste and them not show no pity. Babylon deal with them case, make them body look pretty. Pull up them face a cap a shot like Mickey. If a rat race, hero not go join any. But tune to your ears, you not have to pay a penny. Too much life waste, many. Me a tell the road why them say me any no gonna be down there. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down there. And now gunshot a echo, no gonna be down there. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down there. And now gunshots start echo. When the Babylon come, then you have to run.
And the youths them die, and your life it gone and can't come back. It make mama cry. Inna me heart me feel it. Whoa, believe it. Whoa, we no need it. Whoa, can't you see it? Hey, as a ras man a flex more one away. Give thanks to Jaja every day. Read me Bible and me pray. Talking to Jah along the way. Inna me heart me feel it. Whoa, believe it. Whoa, we no need it. Whoa, can't you see it? Hey, so me have to wonder how the love gone. Pray for the little baby we just born. Please me I beg you no fi keep it calm. Boy, Miss a shatter and Miss a gun tam. Time fi we love one another some more. It no really matter if you're rich or you're poor. Listen to me song and no try ignore. Put down the Glock and the 404. When the gun them bust and the blood start run and the youths them die, and your life it gone and can't come back, it make mama cry. Inna me heart me feel it. Boy, believe it. Boy, we don't need it. Boy, can't you see it? Hey, as a ras man a flex more one away. Give thanks to Jaja every day. Read me Bible and me pray. Talking to Jah along the way. Inna me heart me feel it. Boy, believe it. Boy, we no need it. Boy, can't you see it? Hey, I want to ask one simple question. What is really in your intention? Couple more things I have to mention. Now is the time to release the tension. Ready fi go start some demonstration. Wonder what happened to the black population. Look like them lose the unification. Diplomat ready fi go heal the nation. When the gun them bust and the blood start run and the youths them die.
All you senseless killers, all you heartless murderers. Final warning, Fyah. Yeah, reaching out universal. Gunpowder. I smell gunpowder. Say I smell gunpowder, and I know somebody just get murdered. They gonna feel like it off right now. So me say no pop it off, oh no. Too much blood a roll. Me a beg you put it down. They gonna feel like it off right now. So me say no pop it off, oh no. Too much blood a roll. Beg you put it down. A long time me you want you but you wouldn't hear. You say you don't care because you don't got no fear. You bust your gun anywhere. Inna the square, see it there now. Your little life disappear. Church bell ring and me see all the earth. Funeral song, me say enough Bible verse. Concrete a mix, it put you under the earth. Me warn you, me tell you, you shoulda never blood thirst. They gonna feel like it off right now. So me say no pop it off, oh no. Too much blood a roll. Me a beg you put it down. They gonna feel like it off right now. So me say no pop it off, oh no. Too much blood a roll. Beg you put it down. I say another one bite the dust right now. Another one bite the dust, how? Say funeral a keep, family a weep. Another one bite the dust. I say hold Chucky boo, Chucky pan you. Make mistake and chuck pan the wrong crew. Say hold Chucky boo, never check what him a do in a curfew. Chucky boo get slew. Say wah, the policeman chief. Chucky get shot for being a petty thief. Oh, me see the coffin, yo, me see the reed. May poor Chucky's soul rest in peace. That's why me say feel lock it off right now. So me say no pop it off, oh no. Too much blood a roll. Me a beg you put it down. They gonna feel lock it off right now.
But Rastafari rise the sign saying most smoking. Yeah man, come here, show them say them born come see it. And them live with it. I'm bubbling, they go drop flesh, leave it still a flourish up on the earth. You know. Whoa. Dang. Hey, officer, take these handcuffs off of me. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. Wow. Why you acting like you've never seen a good draw of my jungle before? But now you're telling her you're nice. If you follow you go down a station. Me little style and me juggling. I mean not in a drug smuggling. My herbs is all I've got. So tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? Is it because I'm black? Tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? What make you no so jumpy copy? What make you call your friend for walkie-talkie? And with your little matic you not stop post. And I say you win up, constabulary force. I see them coming in their jeeps around the corner. I ain't gonna run now. I ain't gonna gun. My herbs is all I've got. So tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? Is it because I'm black? Tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? I ain't got nobody.
touchdown and a fine style.
Oh yeah.
But until the baby girl, I'm ready to let you go.
Oh well. I said I feel like crying.
Cry.
I said I feel like dying.
Die.
Since you left me and gone.
Baby girl, I tell you so.
Since I can't carry on. Since you walk out, I can't eat. Since you walk out, I can't sleep. Everything I do seems to go wrong.
Shiloh.
Oh baby, have some mercy.
Some say. A long time when I look at you, don't want me at all. A long time when I look at you, don't want me at all. You have the DJ a scream and a cry and a ball, girl. Me used to hook you up on the telephone, and she all a tell me say fi leave her alone. Now me touch down on the love sound. She wants suck me tongue like a ice cream cone. Oh me a talk, now the girl them Simon. You better have some mercy. Ain't a summit till you damn to kicks will never let you go until you say wow. Yes to be. Baby girl I give it to you continually. And for me got some.
I said please come back home. I said please come back home. And let us start back anew.
And some say
me and you.
Baby girl.
Now everything I do, I can remember you. So won't you come on back and give me a second try. Oh baby, have some mercy.
What you know? Come and say sometime me link her up on the digital. She all a tell me say she ain't feeling well. Deep down in my heart me know a lie she a tell. But until a baby girl I never let you go. And so me go say better have some mercy. Baby girl, have some mercy. Some me see me keeping track and now I'm thinking still never let you go. Wow, think I saw me go say
I said please come back home. I said please come back home. And let us start back anew.
Some say
me and you.
Baby girl.
Now everything I do, I can remember you. So won't you come on back and give me a second try. Oh baby, have some mercy.
Have some mercy.
Oh well.
Some say
oh well.
Keep it playing, some say
oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So when you're in love, you mean a thing to me. You just have to put in your all. If I ain't got you with me, lady, nobody in this whole wide world. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. And some people live just to play the game. Some people think that physical things divide us within. I've been there before, but that's life above. So full of superficial. Some people want it all, some don't want nothing at all. But I don't want nothing if it ain't you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search for a fountain that promises forever young. Yeah. Some people need a dozen roses, and that's the only way to prove you love them. And you need a word on a silver pattern. But what good would it be with no one to share
try to understand you. Hopefully you feel the same way I do. That I do. Girlfriend, I wanna be a boyfriend. Yeah, and I'll give a love that's lasting. Yes, I will have mine. Baby, don't you know true love can hide? Won't be fooled, won't treat you cruel. Gonna use my love because that's my tool. That's my girlfriend. Yeah. I wanna be your boyfriend. Yeah. You watching me, trying to get me in your misery. Your misery. Someone spreading rumors on me. I wonder who could it be? Someone have their eyes on me, saying things that they never see. But stop scandalizing my name for the things that I know not about. Why is it I'm the one to be blamed? You watch me going in and you watch me coming out. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire, but I'm burning hot like a fire. I have no secret for no one to keep, so you can say what you wanna say. You never see me playing hide and seek. I try to live in a positive way. Can't you see that I'm innocent, but you're trying to find me guilty? I will never lose my confidence, so don't disrespect my integrity. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire, but I'm burning hot like a fire. I've been watching you, watching me. Come with your misery, your misery. Yeah, but little thing will be so right, be so right. Lovely one, you came as a gift from the Father, like showers of blessings on me. I give praises to Jah the Creator, for someone as lovely as she. She's the greatest part of my life, like no other woman I see. And when the pressures of life bowl me over, she's my refuge, my sanctuary. Tonight I'm gonna hold her tight, treat her right. I'll never let her out of my sight. Can't do no wrong, feeling so strong. She gives me satisfaction's guaranteed. Now, got to get a chance to plant my seed. Ooh. You've got to be a really special woman to hold me, a clean slate of history. Cause I can't let confusion control me, but I know what to be, got to be. She's a central part of my life, and between us there'll be no strife. With every action there's a reaction, my fulfillment of ecstasy. Tonight I'm gonna hold her tight, treat her right. I'll never let her out of my sight. Can't do no wrong, feeling so strong. She gives me satisfaction's guaranteed. Now. Not only does she nourish and cherish my children, she gave all her loving to me. Now I see what I never could see, and she made it so easy for me. She's a central part of my life, and between us there'll be no strife. When the pressures of life bowl me over, she's my refuge, my sanctuary. Tonight I'm gonna hold her tight, treat her right. I never let her out of my sight. Can't do no wrong, feeling so strong. She gives me satisfaction's guaranteed. Now. from the Father, like showers of blessings on me. I give praises to Jah the Creator, for someone as lovely as she. She's the greatest part of my life, and between us there'll be no strife. And when the pressures of life pull me over, she's my refuge, my sanctuary. Tonight I'm gonna hold her tight, trees are right. I'll never let her out of my sight. Into no wrong, feeling so strong.
Now look now. I never felt so good till I found baby and all the good times I know we spent together. Oh yes, baby. Since I met you, I feel like my head is going round and round. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm going crazy over you. I'm gonna make you moan and groan, make you shout for more, make you scream my name, I'll make you cry for more, baby. If you don't want me, baby, just keep walking. Can't you understand that I wanna be a man, baby? Time has passed and we're still together. I don't know why you wanna leave me now, baby. I give you everything you want, I'll buy you anything you need. Take you places that your heart desire. Oh, baby. If you don't want me, baby, just keep on walking. Oh, baby. If you don't need me, baby, why can't you understand that I wanna be a man, baby? Oh, pretty baby, touch me all over now. Drive me insane with this sweet, sweet love. Don't stop, baby. I'm gonna make you moan and groan and groan. Make you shout for more, shout for more. Make you scream my name, cry for more, baby. And if you don't want me, baby, just keep on walking. Can't you understand that I wanna be a man? Watch it right over me. Ooh, I woke up this morning and I see the rising sun. I give thanks and praises for all that He has done. He's given me the strength and He kept me alive with wisdom and His knowledge to survive. And I know, yes I know, yeah I know, my God is real, so real, His presence I feel. My God is real, my God is real, so real, His presence I feel. My God is real, yeah. Not a second, not a minute, not an hour go by that I don't give praises to the Most High. Created the sun, moon, earth, seas, and skies. His powers I cannot deny. Cause I know, yes I know, we all should know. My God is real, so real, His presence I feel. My God is real, my God is real, so real, His presence I feel. Some people may strive, only seeking vanity.
This is no fairy tale story. The wonders and signs He has shown me. For my time to seek His mercy. So real, so real. His presence I feel. My God is real. My God is real. Whoa, whoa.
Once again, alone I stand. No one in mind. Since you promised me you'll stay, but now I see you're gone. Is it fear for me to say that I didn't love you anyway? But I'll be only hurting me, 'cause now I know. Oh baby, if you keep hugging me, loving me, then we'll find those memories. And I know we could start over again. I want to know if you keep hugging me, loving me, then we'll find those memories. And I know we could start over again. I know everybody make mistakes, but who is there to blame when the teardrops starts to fall and pouring down like rain? You know I really care. That is why I'm still standing here, holding on to my love that is strong. Yeah, if you keep hugging me, loving me, then we'll find those memories. And I know we could start over again. But I know if you keep hugging me, loving me, then we'll find those memories. And I know we could start over again. Oh yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. My memories are of you in my heart. I know that this love can go on. My memories are of you in my heart. And I know that this love could go on. If you keep hugging me, loving me, then we'll find those memories. And I know we could start over again. I know if you keep hugging me, loving me, then we'll find those memories. And
Woman, you make my days. And oh, silence is the night when you're not around. I woke up in the morning thinking of you alone, reminiscing on the time we spent. Every clip it's on my heart alive. I think about every moment. Girl, this is the way to go. You bring blessings. The way you keep me laughing, girl, I need no more. You're my blessings, safe in my arms and after I'm sorry. It's the way you cook your food, the way you spread your bed, the way you do your few parents for the children, the simple things you do and the word you say. I will never go astray. Give thanks for your loving kindness. I'm now walking to my life, girl, I've seen the brightness. You're like the glorious sun that shines. Girl, give me the finest. You bring blessings. The way you keep me laughing, girl, I need no more. You're my blessings, safe in my arms and after I'm sorry. Keeping it real, everything flourishing. I've got love for you, no pretending. I'll keep you safe in my surrounding. When I think about you, my heart goes pounding. Woman, I'll be there when you need me. Oh yes, I know you never yet deceive me. You start with the soul that's lean on. I trusted friend you can depend on. Blessings, the way you keep me laughing, girl, I need no more. You're my blessings, safe in my arms and after I'm sorry. Girl, I'm not a womanizer. Let's sit about and discuss some fiscal matter. Then I'll be your sole provider and make you certain
everything proper. Woman, I love the way you keep it genuine. Your style, your finesse, stay feminine. Woman, I love how you exalt your melanin. You never bleach your black skin. It's the way you cook your food, the way you spread your bed, the way you do your few parents for the children. The simple things you do and the word you say. I will never go as you bring blessings. The way you keep me laughing, girl, I need no more. You're my blessings. Safe in my house and I'm the console.
No, no, no. How do you feel when your baby is gone? How can you sleep with no one to keep you warm? You toss and turn, you cry all night. Such a feeling, it gives an awful fright. I made a mistake when I grieved her heart. She couldn't stand it, she decided to part. I've got to find her and apologize. I want no other, she's just my size. Oh, yes. Oh God, loneliness taking over me, yes. I gotta find her, oh yes, and make her mine. How do you feel when your baby is gone? How can you sleep with no one to keep you warm? You toss and turn, you cry all night. Such a feeling, it gives an awful fright. I made a mistake when I grieved her heart. She couldn't stand it, she decided to part. I've got to find her and apologize. I want no other, she's just my size. Oh, I said she's just my size.
You may be wondering why I chose the way I live. Check it out.
Let me live my life.
This is the way I wanna live.
I just keep life real.
Give all I can give. Cause when things get wrong, I'll never give up. Why? The most I know when my basket is empty. When he pours his blessing, that's so plenty. I'm not for the system, it's not healthy. The rich man segregate from the poor cause he's wealthy. I'd rather be poor than live a life that's filthy. I'm treading the rocky road, though it's rocky. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. Fyah Mason just told you, hey, I just love my living. Communication with Mama Earth and keep giving. From the heart, way up within. It was love and joy from life begin. It better to be conscious than to be thinking. Mama style one digging. Hey, let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. Cause when things get wrong, I'll never give up. Why? The most I know when my basket is empty. When he pours his blessing, that's so plenty. I'm not from the system, it's not healthy. The rich man segregate from the poor cause he's wealthy. I'd rather be poor than live a life that's filthy. trod in a rocky road, though it's rocky. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give.